So, all right, Ocd Wheels in business. Here we go. All right, people. This is it. So I've had this place for about since the 2nd of January. So 8 days now, maybe 9, and it was a shithole in here first. It still kind of looks rough back here. I got all my stuff moved in though, got the old Snap-on, and they left these tables here, a bunch of bull crap. Got this nice cobalt table. Anyway, none of this will be here, so this will all be moved. For example, this used to be industrial gray like the rest of the shop, and there was holes in the wall and crap like that. Couches in here. I'll throw a picture of what it looked like right here before. It was gross. But yeah, looking much better. Painted, fixed the holes, got my new furniture in here. Same with the office, got it cleaned up, looking right. Gonna be hanging the TVs and the monitors today. And yeah, new outlet covers, and got the place looking real nice. Got a bunch of clocks to hang up and PPG signs, and it's going good. All right, guys, so I've had this place for about 9 days now, and as you can see behind me, it's not much going on yet. I did have a lot of shit to move out of here, and a lot of cleaning up to do, obviously, from the last people. They were doing data sales, and somehow they made a big mess. So anyway, I've got most of my stuff moved in now, and today is the 12th of January 2024, and I'm going to be filming this whole process of getting the shop turnkey ready to roll. A lot has already happened that I have missed, but or that you guys have missed. So like I was saying, I'm going to carry you guys along with this process, and if anybody's interested in watching, please give it a like, and maybe if you got any questions, add a comment. But yeah, if you'd like to see anything cool, let me know. We've got 1,750 square feet of room to mess around with here and make it mine, and hopefully get some customers in the door as soon as possible. We've got quite a few lined up. However, gotta do a bunch more stuff before I can actually open. So took quite a bit of a process, and if anybody had questions about that part, I'd be happy to answer them, but it's a pain in the ass. So yeah. All right, guys, so a bit of an update here. I'm here at the shop late, and I just picked up a new air compressor. I was gonna get the California Air, and I was doing some reading on it, obviously. And that was my ultimate decision, really. I mean, it was quiet. It was, for 26, it was 26 gallon or 20 gallon, I think 20 gallon maybe. And it, 600 something bucks. It wasn't bad. It was really quiet, and that's what I need. I got people on both sides of me, so quietness was key. And I ended up getting a Fortress from Harbor Freight for half the price, and it was pretty, check this out. All right, guys, we've got a lot going on now. I've got about 7 jobs right now. Got some work aero lines for a Corvette. We're gonna be polishing these out. They've just been acid dipped. They had a cruddy coat of spray paint on there. So I've got these looking pretty good now. Starting to work on the transition from sandpaper to buffing and then into polishing. These are some Weds Shokies, 18-inch, doing some powder coating on the faces and fixing those lips and barrels. Had this customer drop this front wheel off a 64 drag Corvette. It's warped. And a customer dropped off a brand new Honda Pilot. Beautiful car, actually. I really dig the look of this car. Pretty much brand new. They're getting the wheels powder coated, so I'll be doing that and showing you guys part of the process there. It'll take about a week. So I've got the car jacked up in the air. I don't have any lifts or anything now. Got it all jacked up though. Got a lot going on, pretty good amount. This is a wheel I got for free that I'm doing a half and half on, keeping this half pretty disgusting and working on the bottom half there. So it's coming along good. I picked up some rupees supplies or Roop supplies, whatever you call them. And here's this air compressor that I was telling you guys about. And I would recommend the heck out of this thing. It's just really quiet. I mean, I was so shocked when I first turned this on. The build quality seems pretty good. It's got 2 freaking pistons in this thing. It's well designed. No auto drain, so you just got to remember to drain it yourself. But it puts out a ton of air, and the best thing about it is it's 69 decibels, so it's incredibly quiet. So I've got my supplies starting to work out here, kind of putting things where I need them, and got a lot more coming. Got this new Rupees Nano Bigfoot. This thing's gonna be awesome to use. Got rid of that finally and upgraded to this 3-inch one. This has done wonders for me so far. I haven't used it much, but trying a bunch of things out. I've got stuff everywhere really. There's 3 sets of wheels in powder coating right now, and doing this toolbox as well. It's actually a friend of mine's, and I was testing different stuff, different methods, because it's not that crucial here. So I did no prep on some of the spot and a little bit of buffing with different compounds I wanted to try, and then different polishing. And really, it looks okay with no buff pre-polish, but you can definitely tell like it's gross, you know, it's faded, and it does make a difference without any prep work, just putting the polish on there. And I use a few different polishes, but I'm not gonna say them because I don't want to give away my secrets. I'm a keeper, but it does work well. Anyway, moving on. Today is the 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. Got my new signs up. Lots of stuff's coming together here. My office is coming together as well. That's for Max. Got my important stuff. Editing area. Got the super cool clock for my aunt and uncle when they had the body shop. It lights up. And you can tell I'm doing some editing here. Trying to get some good videos out for you guys, and hopefully draw some attention to this place. I've got a good amount of stuff lined up for the next year, pretty much, but I'd love to have this place popping to where people ship the wheels in from out of state, want me to work on them, and ship them back. So there's a lot of stuff that could go on here, and I'm focusing on the wheel and tire sales as much as I can. But it's hard to compete with discount and stuff like that. So I've got suppliers that they don't have, and you can tell this wheel went through acid dipping, and it's still got a lot of work to go. You can see. I was just doing a test spot here. It looks all right. Not what I want though. But that was almost no prep, just with this used pad here actually, so works pretty good. I've always wondered why you pay so much for these, and I figured it out. It is unbelievable, and I'm really excited to try out that Nano and get rid of that Harbor Freight thing, keep it as a backup. But yeah, got a lot going on here. These little wheels here, well, I wouldn't say little, 20 by 11 or 12s, and you can tell that's not good. So these are a 2-piece welded. Now they're like a damn 1-piece. Lots of weight. I'm not an expert totally on 2-piece weldeds, but I don't think that's supposed to look like that. Yeah, this wheel's fucked. So plan here is to convert these to 3-piece. I'm gonna have to get someone to mill this though, and cut that face out, because it's definitely not supposed to be welded on the inside is like that as well. This is kind of a funky, weird wheel, actually. It's a Weds Maverick 010S. Nice wheel face design, really, but it needs a ton of work. And like this hardware here is actually just push-in, which I've never seen before on a Weds wheel. It just pushes in. There's no threads in the face, and it's kind of just a strange wheel all in all. They came two-piece welded, but not like that. So fixing those up, yeah, put that there. Fixing those up, and just like I said, I got a lot going on. And please subscribe. You'll be able to see a lot of cool stuff, wheel repairs, and I eventually hope to evolve this YouTube channel into something pretty good for people to watch, and just see what I do and how wheels are fixed and all the possible options. But yeah, I also recommend the new Honda Pilots. They look freaking excellent. This car is gorgeous. Probably wouldn't have chosen all the black plastic on it, but that's probably just how they come. So anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. There'll be a lot more coming here. Thanks.